Cobblestones whisper beneath my feet, stories of sailors and secrets they keep. Church bells hum, the air feels alive, ancient walls where memories thrive. Strolling Genova, step by step, through the past we never left. Palaces rise, parks stretch wide, ocean walks the endless tide. Marble floors cold, the candles glow, silent prayers in the churches flow. Frescoed ceilings, painted skies, heaven's beauty, immortal light. Every corner holds a tale of ships that sailed and hearts that failed. Strolling Genova, step by step, through the past we never left. Palaces rise, parks stretch wide, ocean walks the endless tide. Sea sings low, the gulls reply. Sunset paints the evening sky. Old stone whispers, winds retell. Genova casts her timeless spell. Cobblestones whisper beneath my feet, stories of sailors and secrets they keep. Church bells hum, the